In today's episode, let's check out Nirmalaya's Rooh Rose Cones. Namaste everyone and welcome to Incense show with DJ, a show that helps you increase your incense quotient. So if you are an incense enthusiast, consider subscribing. And before we go ahead, I'd just like to remind you of this Meri Pratham Sanskrit Pustika, a Sanskrit alphabet book for kids, link in description. So in these kind of episodes, we first check out the packaging of the incense, then we check out the fragrance of it, then we talk a little about the incense world, and then we have a quiz. So you might want to stay here till the end. So what we have today here is Nirmalaya again, and it says Nirmalaya. It's actually Nirmalaya. So it's Nirmalaya, fragrance of God, and it's a very beautiful logo, like I told you even last time. Just check out the logo. Okay, then it says Rooh Rose Incense Cones, and it's written like that. Rooh Rose Incense Cones. And if you see the overall feel of the box is that of pink and beige. So if you see that, this pink, and it has flowers made all over it. If you can see, just see the prints, the floral prints all over. That's what it has. And then one side we have www.nirmalaya.com. It's like that. And another side we have made from temple flowers. Just like that. Then one side what we have is a very sweet cone with fragrance coming out of it. So it's like that. You can just see that. Again, what we have here is, it says Nirmalaya. So when it writes in Hindi, they write half a law, but when they write in English, they write a full law. So they say Nirmalaya. But in Hindi, they write it Nirmalaya, meaning offering to the divine. Okay, so in the last thing that we had done in Mukhallat, they said Nirmalaya means pure. And like I told you that for us, Nirmalaya is stale flowers, the flowers that we offer to gods the next morning, when we are cleaning up the place, when we are cleaning up the altar, that stale flower is called Nirmalaya. So here, Nirmalaya in the last packet, on the Mukhallat packet, they said that Nirmalaya is pure, and here they says it's offering to the divine. Nirmalaya meaning offering to the divine. Nirmalaya made from recycled flowers collected from the temples. With this you take home the blessing of the divine. With Nirmalaya you add to the livelihood of the women who are dedicatedly preparing these incense sticks. With Nirmalaya, you protect the holy rivers from being polluted. With Nirmalaya, you get CSIR certified organic products. With Nirmalaya, you take home a little fragrance of God. And then they have given the directions of use, and then again what they say is based on technology from CSIR SciMap. Feedback, the content says temple flowers, natural essential oils and herbs. Best before 24 months, and it says manufactured September 21. So there are 30 cones in this, so 30 in number, and 150 rupees. I think I got it for 120 or something. It was on a discounted rate, so you can check it on the website. So that's what you'll have. And then we have 3 logos. It says recycled temple flowers, toxic free, 100% natural certified, handmade, made in India with love. So this is what we have, like that. And on the side where we need to open the box, there's a small little tape with Nirmalaya on it. So it's a branded tape, if you can see that. See, it's a branded tape. So that's what it is. So if you see the packet like that, it's like that, and then you open it like that. So that's how we open it. And so we have the cones here, and then we have a holder. The holder is a simple white ceramic holder with Nirmalaya written on it. So it's like that. if you remember, we did not get any stand with the mukhallat. So they have a packet, they have a gift pack where they have all the 3 attar series. So bahur, oud and mukhallat is there, and then when you buy that gift pack, you get the wooden incense stand. With that, the boat stand that we have, that's what you get. The one that you get in all of the pool packs is what you get in the gift pack of mukhallat, bahur and oud, their attar series on Nirmalaya website. Inside what we have is a simple plastic pouch. It's not branded, it's just a simple plastic pouch, and we have the cones here. No, that's all. And the cones are quite big. It's different from the pool ones. So if you see that, that's the size of the cone. Can you see that? That's the size of the cone. It's almost as big as my small finger. See that? That's how tall it is. So if you see, that's how tall it is. It's brown in color. You get the sweetish incense smell with no particular there's no particular smell of rose in this, but you do get a floral smell. So it's a sweet floral smell, as you can smell from the cold incense. And that's what you get here. Now let's light up the incense and check out the fragrance of it. So we can see the cherry here. See the cherry? So it's still that sweet floral smell. You do get a very, very faint hint of rose in this, somewhere in the base. So the base of the fragrance is quite floral, and it has a hint of rose in it, and you still can feel the sweetness in it. So if you like that sweet kind of floral fragrance, you'd like this. And the fragrance is quite mild. It's not hard like it smelled in the cold incense. It's not very strong. It's quite mild, but that rose hint is quite faint, which somehow seems like a good thing, because there's so many chemical that goes into making one fragrance smell like its nature identical. So that's what we have. This is Nirmalaya Rooh Rose Incense Cones, and this is a sweetish floral kind of smell, and if you like that kind of fragrance, you would like it. And the size of the cone is quite good, so it seems like it would last around 35 to 40 minutes or so. So that's what it is. And like always, you might want to use this while you're meditating, or do not use this for your pranayam or any of your breathing exercises. Use it for your meditation, visualization, and just a normal dhyan if you're doing. The rose smell is not quite prominent or pronounced. You would have to really feel the fragrance to just check out one little hint of rose somewhere. But what you get overall is a floral fragrance which is quite sweetish and incense type. So that's the kind of fragrance this is. So that is Nirmalaya Rooh Rose Incense Cones. In the last episode, we'd asked about the Japanese incense ceremony, the name of the Japanese incense ceremony, and like always, Vidvatamji answered the quiz, and he was right about the Kodo ceremony. It's called Kodo. Kodo is a very famous Japanese incense ceremony, and this has had a long history in their culture, and it is still very well done, and it's still preserved there. People still follow this Kodo incense ceremony and they take part in it. It's quite an elaborate incense thing. So this is quite an intrinsic part of the Japanese spiritual culture, and it is a very well-known thing there. So if you happen to meet a Japanese, or if you have a friend from Japan, or if you know somebody from Japan, you might want to ask them about this, and you might want to know more about this. They have a very elaborate setup for this, and it is quite a spiritual activity for them. They experience quite a few incense ingredients as part of the ceremony. They don't just smell the incense, they also listen to it. The literal meaning of Kodo is the fragrant path. So let me read out to you what Neil has to say about Kodo ceremony. Listening to incense. Kodo, the Japanese approach to incense. Nowhere is the art of incense more appreciated than in Japan. Japanese incense masters are considered great artisans and are revered for their skills. Incense is deeply connected with spiritual beliefs, although there are also informal practices for the simple joy of experiencing incense. The value and wisdom of incense makers, especially those who have devoted their lives to the pursuit, is widely understood throughout Asia. Is it any wonder that the finest incense in the world comes from that region? The term Kodo in Japanese translates to the fragrant path. There are formal Japanese groups called schools in Kodo, each with its own distinctive differences. Kodo generally refers to the very formal ceremony itself. Japanese masters teach that smelling incense is not enough. The true student of incense should listen to the incense as well. I think that the concept of listening extends to every material that goes into your incense. In some ways, I mean this in almost a literal sense. Burning a single incense ingredient and listening to it carefully, you can learn a great deal about it. To listen, you need to quiet your own thoughts first. Then, inhale the fragrant scent, hold your breath for a few seconds, and slowly exhale. With practice, the aromatic will begin speaking or singing to you immediately if you are receptive to listening. Listening to your ingredients is the best possible way to learn how to employ them on a magical and sometimes a scent level. So that's what Carl has to say about the Kodo ceremony. Suzanne Fisher-Rizzi, in her book, The Complete Incense Book, she mentions 10 virtues of Ko. Let's read it. The 10 virtues of the Ko. Incense burning opens us to the transcendental. Incense burning cleanses our spirit. Incense burning cleanses and clarifies our spirit of worldly blindness. Incense burning makes us attentive. Incense burning is a friend and companion in times of loneliness. Incense burning brings peace and reflection during a hectic day. Incense burning never loses its value, even if used often. Even with a small amount of incense, we will experience satisfaction. Incense burning substances never lose their effectiveness, even when stored over a long period. Even if used daily, incense burning never does harm. So that's what Suzanne Fisher-Rizzi has to write in her book. So that was about Kodo ceremony, and it's a very famous, very well-known spiritual ceremony of Japan, and people to this day follow this ritual and they really enjoy and experience the incense in its totality. Now the quiz for today is, what is Canarium strictum? So I hope you enjoyed today's episode and learned something from it. If you think somebody can learn something from it too, share it with them. If you have a query or a comment, or if you have to share your thoughts, just do it in the comment section below. Check out the description for the link of this incense, the book and other products. And till we meet again next, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.